Abu Hurairah radiallahu anh reported, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "May he be miserable, the worshipper of the dinar and the dirham, and the worshipper of the striped silk cloak. If he is given anything, he is satisfied, but if not, he is unsatisfied." Bukhari narrated it.
So if you are a worshipper of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you'll always be satisfied. You'll always be satisfied. In contrast to be a slave to something else, slave to your money, slave to your clothes. So there's a warning here that to have your worshipping to other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, especially those things. Abdul dinar, just after the money. He's a money making machine. Abdul dirham wal qatifati wal khamisa. He's just after the making himself nice, beautiful clothes, and beautiful car, beautiful mount, beautiful house. So the person who is being criticized is the one who gathers more than what he needs. The one who is being criticized is the one who gathers more than what he needs. If you got what you need, you should be now looking at the akhirah. Because if you're going to gather more than what you need, you're going to be on the expense of what? Of hereafter. Definitely.